Hello, I'm Kay and I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing our new Dyson V15 Detect Absolute Total Clean Cordless Vacuum. For us, it's actually replacing the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute that we had for almost 4 good years, but in the last 6 months it just started to have technical glitches that we couldn't fix, so we bit the bullet with the discounts coming up to the new year and we bought this machine. To be honest, I had my eye on it for a while, not wishing the other one dead. So that's everything that comes in the box. It's pretty much the same as the V10. There are 6 attachments in total. I managed to sneak one in there from the V10, so that's why there's 7. This is the mattress tool. It's great for cleaning mattresses and upholstery. I particularly find it handy when I'm doing a deep clean and removing the cushions on the sofa and getting into little corners and cleaning. And that is the quick release mini soft brush. It's got delicate bristles, great for fabric and delicate surfaces. And that's the stubborn dirt brush. And that is the crevice tool, which is really great to get into edges, narrow gaps, and I use it as well attached to the wand to get to the ceiling with cobwebs. And that's the digital motor bar cleaner head. It's got detangling technology this time around. It adapts to different surfaces. The hair screw tool in the picture there also has detangling technology. And the attachment I was most excited about, the fluffy optic cleaner head, illuminates on the floor and you can see all the dust and the dirt and dust that you're trying to clean off. And it also comes off and you can clean it under the run it under the tap. And that is the charger that comes with it and the wand. The charger you can use directly plugging into a socket on the vacuum, or you can use it through the wall dock. This is the wall dock that comes with a V15. The one that we had with the V10 was not adaptable, so we had to take that off and remount it with a new dock. And that is the main Dyson component, which is pretty much the same as the V10 version, obviously with the difference in the hardware and the new technology that it has. It opens and closes in the same way to get rid of the dirt that you vacuumed up. It has an LCD screen this time around and has functions modes at medium, boost and eco. The filter comes off and you can run it under the tap to clean it. It also has a menu that's slightly hidden. If you hold down the button that you use to change the modes, it will show you the menu. You can change the language, alerts, particle count, the motor sensitivity, or exit. As you can see, I've got English selected there, but you can go through all those languages and pick the language that you prefer and set your machine to work in that language. Or you can keep going if you get there by mistake, and once you get to T, the exit button is there. You hold it down again, it counts down and it takes you back to the main menu. And if you want to switch your alerts off, I want to leave mine on, you can go through that, you hold that button down and choose whether you want them off or on, or hold down the exit button again to go back to the main menu. And if you want to change how your particles are displayed, whether you want to switch that off or keep it on, you go back through, you hold down the particle count button. It gives you prompts on the actions that you can take. You can either switch that off or on. I wanted to leave it on, or hold down to exit. And if you want to change the motor sensitivity, mine is currently set on medium. You hold that down, follow the prompts, change it to low, high or medium. I wanted to keep mine medium. And then you go back to the main menu by holding down exit. And that's it. You hold down the exit menu and you get out of that slightly hidden menu that I found after about 2 days of using it. There is an attachment that I had missed out and would have gone in the bin, that plastic attachment which attaches to the wand to optimize storage of the extra attachments. I find it really useful because I usually put all my attachments in a basket and carry it around the house. So it's just going to make my cleaning a lot more efficient and not having to lug things around. So I think it's ideal to attach attachments that aren't too bulky so you weigh down the wand and the machine. So I've attached mine there, and you attach the main component and just go your merry way vacuuming. I think this is a really, really good small change, but makes a difference for someone like me. The hair screw tool really comes in handy when you're vacuuming small spaces. I use it to vacuum my stairs, and I really appreciate how clean it leaves them looking. So I changed our wall dock, and that's what it looks like mounted. It's got that extra space with that plastic attachment. It really optimizes storage. Overall, I'm really pleased with the V15. The highlights for me are the fiber optic cleaner head. The illumination just gives me more confidence in my clean. I like that the motor head is adaptable to different floors. I just hope that it lasts longer than the V10.